Please don't hesitate to like, subscribe, retweet, and reward us for supporting the Spiegel and Dot section. We're starting with a safety handle. We're gonna start with a thumb pirouette. This is how the thumb rotates. When you've made one turn, insert your middle finger. Let it rest on this side. So this is the first step of the movement. Do this. Put your ring finger on this side. And then we go to step 2. Turn it over with your ring finger. When you flip it over, catch it with your index finger. When you get to this point, don't hold it too straight. Don't hold it like this. Hold it at a slight angle. When it's turned over, it's automatically tilted over. That's it. So at this point, basically this action. Basically, it's very simple to accomplish. Turn it over. That's it. Okay, so after this step, what's next? The most addictive part of this movement. It's the double backward movement. 1 round is fine. It's okay to do 2 rounds. Lift up. Around your thumb. Let's see how it's done. So when we get to this side, basically, you've completed this movement. Then you can just fling it around and you're done. Any way you want. And then a short stop. Finish the maneuver. How's that? Isn't it a very simple move? This is a very easy move to learn. It's very easy to learn. It's also a move that I want you to be able can quickly get started. At the same time, you can feel the joy of the Balisongs moves. What about the next moves? You can freely use your imagination. There is no restriction. Here are some ideas. Okay. So today's action sharing. This is the end of today's action sharing. I also hope that all partners can quickly learn